Lost all your keys to your 2008-2009 Pontiac G8? This video outlines the DIY process for programming new transponder keys, specifically when you have no original keys to clone. Be aware, this process can be complex and carries risks, including potential damage to your vehicle's BCM. Success rates hover around 50 to 70% without professional help. The Pontiac G8's transponder key system relies on a 13.56 MHz RFID chip embedded in the key. This chip uses radio frequency identification technology to securely communicate with the vehicle's immobilizer control module. The RFID chip communicates with the immobilizer control module, or ICM, which acts as the security gateway. This module verifies the key's authenticity through encrypted signals. For the engine to start, the key must be authenticated by the ICM. This prevents theft by ensuring only authorized keys can operate the vehicle. Programming a new key involves either cloning data from an existing key or, when all keys are lost, synchronizing a new key with the body control module, or BCM, which manages the overall vehicle security network. You'll need an OBD2 scanner to communicate with the car's computer, such as the Innova 5610 or ELM327 interface. Transponder key blanks are required, specifically Philips Crypto 2 type compatible with GM vehicles. Software like TIS2000 may be needed, though unofficial versions are commonly used for programming. A device for reading and writing EEPROMs, such as an Arduino-based programmer, is essential for key cloning. A critical step is accessing the body control module, or BCM, and obtaining its 4-digit PIN code. This PIN is essential to enter programming mode for transponder keys. Without it, programming becomes extremely difficult. Dealerships can retrieve this PIN code directly from the vehicle's BCM using specialized factory tools and software. For DIY approaches, one method involves attempting to read the BCM's memory directly using diagnostic tools. However, this is risky and can damage the module. Another DIY option is attempting a BCM reset by disconnecting the vehicle battery for at least 30 minutes. However, this method has no guarantee of success and may not unlock the PIN. Both DIY methods carry significant risks, including potential damage to the BCM or triggering anti-theft systems. Start by connecting your OBD2 scanner to the vehicle's diagnostic port, usually located under the dashboard. Open your diagnostic software and navigate to access the body control module, which manages key programming. Select the option to add a new key or enter key programming mode in the software interface. Follow the software prompts to program the blank transponder key, inserting it as directed. Turn the ignition on and off as instructed to complete the synchronization of the new key. Important warning: mistakes during programming can permanently lock the body control module, necessitating expensive professional intervention. Online communities like Reddit's r/GMC and YouTube tutorials often share workarounds for programming transponder keys when all original keys are lost. One common workaround involves exploiting firmware glitches in the body control module. Users have reported bypassing the PIN requirement by taking advantage of specific software vulnerabilities. Another popular method uses inexpensive Arduino-based EEPROM readers. These devices connect to the vehicle's electronics to read and duplicate transponder data, often achieving high success rates for the Holden Commodore platform used in the G8. While these community methods can work, they come with significant risks. Attempting these exploits may permanently damage your vehicle's body control module, activate anti-theft systems, void your warranty, or even violate computer fraud laws. Common issues when programming Pontiac G8 transponder keys include failed key synchronization, BCM lockout, and triggering the anti-theft system. These problems can occur due to incorrect procedures or incompatible tools. If issues arise, start by disconnecting the battery for 30 minutes to reset the BCM. Then, double-check all OBD2 and key connections. Finally, ensure your transponder key blank is compatible with GM's Philips Crypto 2 type. If these steps don't resolve the issues, seek professional help. DIY attempts can lead to BCM lockout or warranty violations, and some problems require factory-level tools. When attempting to program transponder keys for a Pontiac G8, especially in all keys lost scenarios, know when to seek professional help. If you're uncomfortable with any technical steps or encounter significant issues, it's best to consult an automotive locksmith. Experts from the Automotive Locksmiths Association warn that DIY key programming can void your vehicle warranty. Additionally, unauthorized key cloning may be illegal under laws like the Computer Fraud and Abuse Act. Statistics show that 40% of failed DIY attempts result in vehicles being towed due to triggered anti-theft modes, with vehicle thefts involving key cloning rising 25% in recent years. Security is a major concern. Hackers using signal transmitters can exploit vulnerabilities in older systems, affecting up to 15% of GM models. For the best protection, consider having a dealership perform a full system reset and reprogramming.